this yoga flow for neck and headache. We're going to begin in a seated position, whether that's legs crossed or kneeling, whatever's most comfortable for the lower half of your body. Bring the hands onto the knees. Roll the shoulders up, back and down. And go ahead and close the eyes. Inhale, we're going to curve the chest to the front. Exhale, round the back towards the back. Inhale to the front. Exhale, rounding to the back, moving in big circles, really getting the ribs moving, the back moving. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, feel the shoulder blades squeeze back. Exhale, let the head drop. Change direction, but keep inhaling to the front, exhaling to the back. Waking up the spine, waking up the neck. Bring yourself back to neutral. Interlace your fingers in front of you. Take a breath in. Exhale, press the space away. Let the spine round back. Inhale, come back to neutral. Interlace your fingers. Take a breath in. Clear the breath. Squeeze the palms towards one another. Draw open the chest. Inhale. Exhale, bring the fist over to the side of the waist and drop the right ear down to the right shoulder, lengthening out the whole side of the left neck. Keep dropping that left shoulder away. Deep breaths. Inhale, bring the fist back behind you. Exhale, over to the other side, dropping the left ear down to the left shoulder. Every exhale, feel that right shoulder dropping down even further, elongating the side of the neck. Release the hands and make your way to all fours, tabletop position, stacking the shoulders over the wrists, the hips over the knees, and feel the belly button and the lower ribs drawing in towards the center. Roll the shoulders back and down into the back pockets. And keeping the shoulders where they are, start to move the center of the chest down and then pushing the floor away, lifting back up towards the ceiling. Inhale down. Exhale, press the floor away. Squeeze the chin into the neck as you press up. So we're starting to fire up the neck flexors. And imagine you are broadening the space between the shoulder blades as you press the floor away. Shuffle the hands slightly further forwards. Take a breath in, and then exhale, shift all the way down to your belly. Bring the hands wide, coming up onto the top of the fingertips. Inhale, peel the chest up. Exhale, release down. Inhale, peel up. Exhale, release. Inhale to peel up, this time staying here. Exhale, looking over the right shoulder. Inhale to the center. Exhale over the left. Inhale back. Looking over the right. Keep drawing the lower ribs in. Inhale to the center. Over to the left. Come back all the way down. Downward facing dog. Press the hands down and forward, feet down and back. Just gently shake the head yes, shake the head no. Slowly walk the feet to the hands. Ragdoll, feet hip width distance. Interlace the fingers at the base of the skull. Let the head drop down, the arms hang heavy. No weight, no pressure in the neck. Just allow yourself complete softness and take a gentle sway side to side. Release the hands to the floor, feet together to touch. Inhale up to extended mountain. Exhale, eagle on the right arm under. Sink into your chair and then bring the right leg on top of the left. If this is too much on the arms, you can grab opposite shoulders and you want to squeeze the elbows in towards one another and up in line with the shoulders. Slowly draw the forearms away from the face. Feel the chin drawing in towards the neck. One more breath. Release, inhale, reach up. Exhale, eagle on the left. Left arm under. Left leg over the top. Keep breathing in and out the nose. Feeling that slight contraction in the throat as you're drawing the chin back. Release, inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold, separate the feet. Bring the left fingers to the center of the mat. Lift the left heel, bend the knee. Inhale, reach the right fingertips up to the sky, looking up. Seeing if you can look all the way up to your thumb, or find something on the ceiling to focus your eye line on. Keep reaching the fingers, embracing the twist in the spine, the neck. One more breath. Exhale, release down, swapping sides. Inhale to peel up. Feel the shoulder blades squeezing towards one another. Energy through the fingertips. Release down, feet together to touch. Inhale, chair pose. Reach your fingertips forward as if you're getting pulled forward in space. Somebody's got both your hands, sinking your weight back until you come all the way down to seated position. I'm going to move into boat pose. So roll the shoulders down. You can have toes on the floor, or maybe you want to pick them up. And if you need a little bit of support, you can grab the back of the knees. Think about having a long spine. There's a long line from the tailbone all the way through to the crown of the head. Keep drawing the neck back, so we're engaging the neck flexors, and we're giving our traps at the side of our neck a little bit of a break. Stay here for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the feet down. Hands behind you, fingertips pointing towards the heels. Squeeze the shoulder blades together behind you. Inhale, lift up, reverse tabletop. Squeeze the hips to the ceiling. If it feels okay on your neck, you can let the head drop back. If that doesn't work for you, you can keep looking up on a diagonal, but again, keep drawing the chin into the neck. Squeeze your glutes underneath you to lift the hips even higher for 3, 2, 1. Peel the hips down. Come to lie down on your back. Hug your knees into your belly. We're going to move into an inversion, getting the feet higher than the head. Maybe you feel like you can go for full shoulder stand, supporting your hips with your hands and shimvying the elbows in towards one another. If that is too much for you, You can float the feet up towards the ceiling, and you can slide the palms underneath the hips to give the pelvis a little bit of a tilt. Allow the legs to float up with a little bit more ease. Wherever you go, keep the neck looking directly up. We're not putting any twist there. And apply a slight bit of pressure through the upper arms and the back of the head into the mat, creating a stable base for our legs, plugging the whole of the spine maybe, or the back of the shoulders into the mat. Maybe give the toes a wiggle, the feet a wiggle. If you're in supported shoulder stand, stay where you are. If you're in full shoulder stand, you can allow the legs to drop over the head, come into plow. And keep sending deep breaths all along the spine. If you're in plow, bend the knees, come into death man's, drawing the knees down by the ears. And then everybody slowly rolling down, vertebrae by vertebrae, onto their back. Plant the soles of the feet on the floor. And just allow a few gentle knee knocks side to side, keeping the feet where they are. Gentle movements in the hips. Shavasana. Release the legs, arms alongside you, back of the neck long. And if this doesn't feel comfortable for your back, for your spine, you can bend the knees, plant the soles of the feet, and allow the knees to knock into the center. Take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Stay here. Enjoy the peace, enjoy the stillness. Breath is soft, the muscles are soft. And if you have nowhere else to be, you can stay exactly where you are, no need to move. You can let the video continue playing and just stay where you are. Or if you would like to, you can bring your hands up to the back of your neck. Give yourself a gentle massage, the back of the skull, feeling into the hair all around the forehead, the hairline. Bringing the thumbs to the temples. Waking up all the muscles in the face, showing ourselves some love and kindness. And inhale to reach the fingers, reach the toes, stretch the whole body. Hug the knees into the belly, give them a big squeeze. And bring yourself up to seated position. Hands at your heart center. Roll the shoulders up, back and down. Bring the thumb knuckles up to the center of the forehead. And to you, I say namaste.